Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Draego and welcome to a new video. So in this video I am going to be showing you how to install Windows 10. So for this you're gonna need a Windows 10 bootable pen drive. If you guys don't know how to make one, then check out this video. This video will gonna help you. Okay, so let's start. First of all, connect your pen drive to your PC and after that turn on your PC and press boot menu button. On my PC it is F12 and after pressing that your boot menu will appear. From there select your bootable pen drive and after that purple window background will gonna appear and then here select your time zone and your keyboard style. After that press next and after that press install now. After that, if you guys have Windows key, then put it over here or just click I don't have a product key and here select which type of Windows do you guys wanna install. I am going for Windows 10 Pro. After that press next and then click on I accept license term and then press next. By clicking custom install you can create your hard drive partitions. And after creating your partition, select your C drive partition and click next. And after that Windows will gonna start installing. Then you just have to wait until the whole process is done. After the installation your computer will gonna restart and it's all done. It will gonna take few minutes to set up and after that you are all good to go. I hope that this video helped you. If you guys have any questions related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And also check out my other YouTube channel which is Draego. I post gaming videos over there. And like, share, subscribe and comment the feedback of this video in the comment section. And I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.